Did you know that a single clinical trial can generate over 3 million data points? Imagine the challenge of managing, validating, and analyzing all that information accurately. Many organizations struggle with inefficient data management processes, leading to delays in drug development, increased costs, and potential regulatory issues. Without proper CDM training, companies risk compromising data integrity and making crucial decisions based on flawed information. At a personal level, employees often feel overwhelmed by the complexity of clinical data. They may lack confidence in their ability to handle large datasets, leading to stress and decreased job satisfaction. Teams may experience communication breakdowns and conflicts due to inconsistent data handling practices. This certification course comes to the rescue by providing comprehensive training in state-of-the-art CDM techniques. It equips professionals with the skills to streamline data collection, ensure data quality, and implement robust data management systems. By taking this course, you'll gain expertise in industry-standard CDM tools and methodologies. You'll learn to design efficient databases, develop data management plans, and implement quality control measures that comply with regulatory requirements. For organizations, the impact is substantial. Improved data management leads to faster study completion, reduced costs, and enhanced data quality. This results in more reliable clinical trial outcomes and smoother regulatory submissions. On a personal and team level, certified professionals experience increased confidence and job satisfaction. They become valuable assets to their organizations, often leading to career advancement opportunities. Teams work more cohesively, with standardized processes reducing conflicts and improving collaboration. Don't let data challenges hold you back. Enroll in this certification course today and become a crucial part of the data-driven future of clinical research. Transform your career and drive your organization's success in the ever-evolving world of clinical trials.